Today you are sorting words with R-influenced vowels. For this activity, you will be in partners. The first thing you need to decide is who will be reading from this list first. Let's say I am going to be writing on my paper. My partner will be reading from this list. Let's look at the paper. We have 4 columns here. We have the word prepare, the word alarm, and the word sincere, and the word alert. Make sure you put your name on this paper. Your partner is going to read all the words from this list, but you are not to look at the paper. As your partner reads the words from this list, you need to match up and sort where you think these words go on your chart. For example, the word cheerful. Listen to the word cheerful. Does it sound like prepare with the R influenced vowel? Does it sound like alarm? Does it sound like sincere? Or does it sound like alert? If you picked sincere, you are correct. Once your partner reads through all of these words and you have them all sorted on your paper, you will switch roles. You will be reading from the list and your partner will be sorting on their list.